Hi, my name is Patricia, and my group members have cautioning, geocracy, and democracy. Today, we are going to talk about the fast food ordering system. The fast food ordering system is primarily designed for use by customers, employees, and administrators. The fast food system allows customers to conveniently browse menus, customize orders, pay, and find nearby fast food restaurant location for any device. Employees use the system to manage orders, process payments, and ensure timely food preparation. Administrators may access analytics report, manage inventory, and update menu items. Overall, the system streamlines the ordering process for a seamless customer experience. This system brings many benefits to users. It simplifies and enhances the entire ordering process, providing customers with unprecedented convenience and efficiency. With the advent of the system, customers can browse extensive menus, customize their orders, and make seamless transactions with ease. The fast food ordering system not only caters to the fast-paced lifestyle of modern consumers, but also minimizes waiting time and creates a more enjoyable and time-saving dining experience. In addition, the system helps the fast food shows employees to enhance operational efficiency. It also helps stores understand customer preference, enhance the customer experience, and tailor marketing campaigns accordingly. There are three primary stakeholders of this system. First one is customer. By using this system, customer can browse the menu to place orders and make payments directly from anywhere and at any time. Customers are able to customize their order based on personal preference, dietary needs, and any special requests. After customers send out their orders, the system will automatically show the order bills and process of the order. Customer can also use the system to find a fast food shop nearby to place the order. The second one is employee. After payment is made, employee including kitchen staff will receive customer orders from the ordering system and process the orders efficiently, ensuring accuracy and timely service. The last one is administrator. The administrator generates the company's annual revenue report by receiving user information, transaction record, and other data. Through user feedback and system analysis, administrators integrate promotion and implement new business plans. Administrators also use the system for inventory management and maintaining store levels. Next part, I will pass to Koshini. Thank you.
I am Koshini, and first I would like to explain the requirement elicitation methods. For the customer, the methods we use is questionnaires. By using this method, we can easily obtain owner's feedback. Then, we may do the statistics and improve our menu and the quality of customer service experience based on the response. The question include is asking the age of customer, the fast food customer prefer, the way customer would like to use to order food, how many times the customer use our system in a week, who recommend us to that customer, how easy for the system use, how about the menu, did the customer get benefits from our promotions, what best thing in our system, will the customer recommend this system, and the second last is, will the customer order our food again? And the last one is to get the customer feedback about this system. For employees, the method we use is questionnaire. This is because we have many employees, including part-time employees and full-time employees. The questionnaire method can easily get data for a large audience. Therefore, it is the more appropriate method to use. The question include is age of the employees, the duration of that employee working, the position of that employee, frequently the employee interact with the system in his role, satisfied with the usability of the system, the best thing in our system, is the system make job more efficient, did the employee receive training on how to use the system, difficult on using the system, and the last is to get the employee feedback about the system. For the admin, the method we use is an interview. We can direct questions to the admin to get information. We can have interactive discussion with the admin and follow up immediately to ensure understanding. By exploring diverse opinions, we can gain in-depth opinions and requirements of the admin. The interview question we'll be asking include, how comfortable are you with our ordering system? How do you ensure the security and privacy of customer data when accessing and utilizing analytic tools? Does the ordering system meet your expectation? When updating menu items or price, how do you ensure the change are accurately reflects across all platforms and systems? How do you communicate change to the menus, items, or inventory status with other teams members? And what method do you use to ensure everyone is informed?
Hi everyone, my name is Tiokasin. Today I want to present about the requirement. Requirement having the three requirements. And the first requirement is customer requirement. In order to make customer enjoy food for comfortable, we are willing to make continuous program to improve the quality of dishes. Develop more diversified dishes to meet the need for the customer. To facilitate the customer to order food online through the integrated online, we hope that customer can order food according to the requirement of the app. If there is an account system, customer may need to log in and accident the account or register a new account to facilitate the management of the personal information and update their personal information address or payment information before use. The next, browse the menu provided by the system. View various food and beverage options to select your favorite dishes to add favorite dishes and the shopping cart. Before confirming the order, the customer need to check the selecting goods in the shopping cart to ensure that there are not omissions or error. Next is personality research, such as the selecting, integrating, and the adjusting quality. Let's provide the feedback and food service to help the store improve. The next is delivery information, include the order number and the estimate the delivery time. If the delivery service need to wait and receive the other confirmation generation by the system, the customer need to choose the delivery method and provide the delivery address. If you pick up the meal in the store, the customer need to wait for the system to inform the order that the meal can be picked up. If it is a takeaway, customer need to wait for the delivery. And the last is select payment methods such as the credit card, cash, and mobile payment, and complete the other statement. The next requirement is employee requirement. In addition, the management of employee can be used the system more skillful to manage order, handle payment, and ensure timely preparation for food. Let's carry out the strict training to ensure that employee can be bring quality service to all customers. Service attribute to need to the friendly and the enthusiastic take the initiative to understand the customer need and actively provide help to customer to make them have a good experience. The good teamwork ability can be effectively the according work during busy hour and cooperated with courageous to complete work tasks. And the clear and efficient communication can also provide to complete best the work better. The next, fast learning execution and stress methodology. The activity participate in training and the constantly improve skill and service level. That's a being willing to learn a new menus and service processing. It's be able to keep client and quickly and accurately handle order during the busy period. Employee need to adapt to a high pressure and fast-paced working environment and visible work hour. And the next, healthy safety and professional image. That is complete with the group safety and hygienic standard and ensure that the cleanness and neatness of the work area, understanding and follow the relevant healthy and safety regulation. Complete of company policy. That is a big by the company policies include the working hour rates and holiday, followed by the company values and the code conduct. Next part, the requirement is administration requirement. Administration can access and analyze the customer data to understanding customer preference and optimize the system. In addition, the administration needs to manage the inventory to replenish and update the menu to develop new dishes. Interpersonal communication skill, it ability to be communication company policies and objective. Good communication skill can be established and maintain the positive relationship with employee and solve the potential conflict and the communication with customer and superiors more effectively. The relationship and decision the making ability, that's the good leadership and team management skill can be simulated the enthusiasm of the employee and teamwork. Can effectively the organizing the workflow in the store, coordinate the task according of the employee and ensure the efficient operation. Be able to make quickly and wise decisions when necessary and deal with the emergency. Be good and weigh the various factors and making the decision in the line with the interest of the company. And the next, healthy and safety, be responsible for the hygiene and safety in the store and ensure the safety of the employee and customer. Observe good safety standard and ensure food quality. Be familiar with the emergency plan in the store, planning response in the case of emergency and take the emergency to the quickly respond and the measure. And the next, also the administration requirement. That's in marketing and selling to participate in the formulation and the implementation of the store and marketing planning to improve the storing visibility. Let's ensure the realization of the sales target and formulated selling promotion strategy. Let's understanding and effectively use relevant technical tools such as the ordering system and inventory management system. That is able to be used data analyzing to guide the business decision. The training and development is provide the employee with the necessary training and development the opportunity to ensure that they have the necessary skill. We want to encourage the employees' career development and provide the promotion opportunity in the work arrangement and scheduling. It is necessary to make a responsible working schedule for employee, ensure that not the employee cover busy hour. Customer service oriented is pay attention to the customer satisfied and ensure the high level customer service. This is handle the customer and complete the problem to ensure that the problem are properly solved. The financing management is understanding to manage the financing situation for the store, including the cost, sale, and profit, make a budget to monitor expression. And the next conflict with company in the policy is applied by the policy and procedures formulation by the company to ensure that the store operation meet the company standard. The contractor of the fast food restaurant want to make the general budget of the project, including the appearance, design, internal layout, requirement, the selection, construction, decoration, and current poster, staff training, and other assets. Use financing tool to track the difference between actual expected the budget and take corrective action when necessary. In the course of project, avoid the unnecessary extra expense and ensure that all expenses are consistent with the objective and scope of the project. It calculation the cost benefit after their years according to the algorithm. At first, there will no income, but some basic accrued had to be purchased, and in the following years, only maintenance or necessary experience had to be paid. We know that the annual interest is 10%, and according to the algorithm, the annual interest is equal to 1 divided by the bracket 1 plus 0.1 power the year, and the calculated interest is 0.91% in the first year, 0.83 in the second year, and the 0.75 in the third year. According to the previous algorithm, we get the interior cost is 100,000 and then the maintenance cost is about the 12,000 per year. After deducting interest for the income on the first time, you get 86,415 and the 78,815 in the second year and the 71,215 in the third year. According to the formula for the calculating NPV and total discount the benefit and minus the total discount the cost is 116,670. In the ROI formula, the value obtained by the dividing the bracket NPV by the total undiscounted cost and multiply it is by the 100% is the 82.13%. The formula is payback period include the 20 months multiplied by the year of the last depending the negative cumulation of the last year dividing by the positive value of the first year for the discount benefit and cost. It's taking about the 16 months to get the value in the multiplications month. Next one is scope and time constraints. Scope constraint is ensure that the product and service provided by the fast food restaurant are clear, including the menu, service standard, and operation the procedures. Any change to menu, service, and all key assets need to be approved and recording. Communication is also very important, so we must work with investor, manager, and employee to determine the scope on the project and ensure that everyone's expectations for the project are the same. Write a detailed track of analysis report, including the summary of each key decision-making area, the evaluation of each option, the describe of standard week, and provide the conclusive pointing out the best choice, possible rights, and potential problem. It is necessary to consider the relationship between different options and possible influence of one option and other option. And the next time contract is share the track of the analysis report with relevant parties, include the owner, design team, and project management. According to the decision and feedback, we relent practice making necessary adjustment and modification. When defining a project, you must describe the overall goal and expect the result of the project. Set and start date and the end date, and all the tasks must be complete during this period. Study and recording the feasible option related to each key decision-making area and to make the preliminary evaluation of each option to understanding its advantages and or disadvantages. Use project management software to track tasks and progress to ensure that the team also know the progress of the project. The last part is quality constraints. The fourth part in quality constraint is performance, security, availability, and modifiability. In the performance, may relate the response time to the ordering system, the transaction processing span, and the efficiency of the customer service. Let's select the operating the hardware and the software configurations to ensure that the system can be maintained high performance during the peak hour. In the security, let's improve payment processing, the protection of the customer, personal information, and the authentication of the employee login system. Select the appropriate security measure. That is security authentication and access the control. It want to ensure that the security of the system and data. The next is availability. The availability may involve the operation of the ordering system to ensure that order can be accessed at any time. Choose hardware and software with redundancy, the fault tolerance to manage the system downtime. And the last is modifiability. Modifiability in the menu is charging the ordering process or adding the new promotion. That can choose feasible software design and modular the system structure to facilitate future challenges and the expansion. That's all for me. Thank you.
Then I will explain for the class diagram. There are three users, which is employee, client, and admin. For the employee, they can prepare the dish. From the diagram, you can see one employee can prepare many dishes. For the client, each of them can place many orders. They can also view the menu. After viewing, they place order. After the order, they need to make payment first. Each order can only make one payment. After that, the dish will be served to them. After served, the dish order status will be updated. The client can also view the location. For the admin, they can add many locations in the system for the client to view. They can also update the order status and inventory. Sales report is generated and can view by admin. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wong Kai Sing and I will continue about the diagram part. First, after we having the class diagram, I will make a case diagram for them. And this is my case diagram. First is we can log in or register first for three people, client, admin or employee. And then we can make for the client is place order, view order history, make payment and view menu, location, find location and check order status. And then the admin part is can update the order status or receive the order status. Next is the find location, generate sales report and view the sales report, and update the menu while the inventory is out of stock. And then for the employee part is login or register and manage the order or serve the dish or preparing the order. Next, we can looking about the login or register page. First is for the activity diagram for everyone. Then we go through the same things, which is login or register. Register first is register with username, password, and email address, and then the system will let them to check again the email username, password, and email address, and then the system will check. Ensure the username is not repeated or not invalid or repeated email address, or else they will repeat again to register part. And then if no repeated username, that can register account. And then after register account, we'll go through the login page. Login page needed username and password, or else we'll need the username and password. If correct or valid, we'll go into the system. If not, we'll go through back the login there to write again. After the login, this is for the customer one. Customer can view the menu, view order status and location, find the location, and then this is the system. Next, we can looking the activity diagram for customer for the view ordering system. First is the customer can view the order history while they already paid for it, and or they don't want to view the order history, they can go to view menu, or first time they can go through the view menu, or they can add order, edit order, or remove order. After they select correctly, they can place order. After place order, they can receive the confirm order. If they still want to edit order, they can go back to the view menu to view add order, edit order there. Else they can go through the payment there, and the system will go to serve the employee will serve the dish. After the serve dish, the system need to update while the dish is served. This is the food ordering system. And next we can look into the another features. This is the find location and show location. If our shop is got many shops, they can use the find location to find where is the place, and the place will has been shown. Next is employee, which is the manage order, prepare dish, and serve dish. This is easy for the system. And then the last one is for the admin. First is admin can receive the order status, and then they can check the order status. While the order is still not done, they can call the employee to do it. And next is add the location and check the location. After adding, the system will check the location, is it correct. And then the third one is the generate sales report. While the order is already done, is complete, they can generate the sales report and view the sales report. And the last one is the manage order inventory. While the inventory is out of stock, like our food is out of stock, we can update the menu, else we can end the system. That's all for our diagram for our group presenting. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.